Katsarou and I work as an R&D project manager at Space Hellas. Our company is a digital integrator and an ICT solutions provider based in Athens. In UNDERPIN, our main role will be to support technically the execution of the project use cases on the motor oil infrastructure. We're very excited to start working on this project and start delivering on the ambitious goals that we have set. Join us to discover the potential and exploit the benefits of joining a unified data space in manufacturing towards an efficient and sustainable future.